Welcome back everyone, it's your travel friend Herman, and in today's video I'm going to go over my experience flying Delta Airlines premium economy product from Minneapolis to London. This was my first experience flying through Minneapolis, and before the flight I went to the PGA lounge, which is a priority pass lounge. This I think has been the best priority pass lounge I've visited, especially here in the United States. The food was really good, the chairs were really relaxing, but I think the key behind it was that you actually had a putting green course there that you could play before the flight while getting views of the tarmac. I will explain in a later video how I got access to this and which credit cards gave me access to this priority pass lounge. This was going to be my first ever trip to London, so I was extra excited to be able to fly in something other than economy. The seat arrangements were in a 2-3-2 format, so one less than regular economy, so it offered a slightly more spacious seat with better reclining and more width. On the seat, I found my amenity kit, as well as noise-canceling headphones, and your pillow and blanket for the flight. And similar to other products that are other than economy, this one came with a menu that you had to scan a code in order to view it. Both options were pretty small, it wasn't a big menu, but the options they did have I thought were actually pretty good and actually tasted good. And they did have a good amount of alcohol to select from on the flight, but as I do not drink, it's really difficult for me to recommend anything because I really won't know what is actually good or not. Premium economy on a transatlantic flight is very similar to first class domestic. Your tray table is going to be in the armrest as well as the buttons that control the reclining options. I also thought their in-flight entertainment was pretty good. It had a lot of recent movies that had come out, as well as a good number of series to choose from. You also had games and other music that you could listen to while you're on the flight. And right next to the screen, you also had a small coat hanger. Before the meal, the crew came around, gave us all wet towels, and set up our tray tables for dinner. They started off with some cheese biscuits, and even though I'm not vegetarian, I went with the ravioli. I felt like this is a little bit lighter for me whenever I have this, even though it is pasta, so it is filling. But this was a great option. I recommend anybody would like this. And the dessert was a lemon pie, but nothing crazy. And inside the amenity kit came with a pair of socks, earplugs, eye mask, lip balm, and a toothbrush and toothpaste. And for our pre-arrival meal, before touching down on London Heathrow, we were handed egg and cheese sandwiches. Thank you everyone so much for watching. If you've flown premium economy, please let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.